Gadget Junkie here, bringing you guys a 2A gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring this pistol safe that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I'm going to bring you guys in and give you the nitty gritty on this safe so you can decide if it's right for you or not. If you're ready, stand by. So what you're going to get, obviously, is going to be your safe. You're going to get a full instruction manual here, goes over the setup of the keypad, fingerprint reader, and how to install it. You get some mounting hardware, a couple of keys, and a mounting bracket. So you got a couple different installation options. You can either install this here from the left side to the wall. You can install this here from the right side to the wall. Or you can install this here from the top side using the 4 holes on the top of the mounting bracket there. To get it set up, you're going to install 4 AA batteries in the battery compartment on the back. Once that's done, then you have access to the safe. So you got 3 different ways of entry. You got a 4-digit keypad on the top here. You got a fingerprint reader, and on the bottom, you've got your key tumbler. So some of the safety features here, it does have a lockout component. So if you have 5 incorrect attempts, it will go into an alarm mode, lockout, and you will have to use the keys to get in through the bottom there. Once you've got your batteries installed, though, to get inside, you're going to enter your 4-digit access code. And as you can see, that drawer slides out pretty quickly and pretty forcefully. So just so you guys know, this here is not a flimsy little piece of sheet metal. This is actually a very hefty safe here. The rails are very well made. They're nice and sturdy. It slides in and out, and there's a lot of tension on there to pop that drawer out once the latch has been released. So inside, you've got some foam cutouts there that will allow you to put your pistol in either, facing forward or facing backward, depending on how you have this here set up. And just so you know, I put a G17 in here. The G17 goes in no problem. I also was able to put a G20 in here with a 507C red dot on top of it, and that went in as well. The thing that will not go in here is a TLR1s. They will not go down inside these holes here, so just know that going forward. So inside there is a light here to illuminate, your pistol handle when you open up the safe, and underneath there is a button that you use to go into, programming mode. And so it will take 1 4-digit code. It'll take 10 fingerprints. So once you got your code in there, simply enter that in, and that opens it up very quickly, again, very forcefully. You can also use your fingerprint, and you see that opens up very quickly, very forcefully. So guys, if you're a firearms owner, you know that keeping your firearm secure is a fundamental part of firearm safety. And this here is a great safe for the side of the bed. You can put this in a closet. You can also put this underneath a desk or on the side of a desk if you have a situation where you have the ability to store a firearm in your office. So if you guys are looking for a very nice, very well made pistol safe, I highly recommend this here. Hope this helps.